first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. Hit that notification bell so you can notify when next videos to come of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. So basically today we're going to show you a new vlogging system for you guys who wants to start your YouTube channel. So here we go. Basically this one is from Bomaker. It's called the Smart XR. So today we're going to go ahead and unbox this and show you what it can do. So here we go. So let's go ahead and open this up. All the power is on the thumb, right? There you go. Whew. Let's take this out on the top, right there. Use some manuals right there. A bag for the gimbal. Put this on the side for now. Let's take this out. There you go. Pretty small device actually. That's pretty good. Pretty handy. Little stand they gave us. Very nice, very nice. There you go. USB-C cable right there. And a lanyard. That's all there is to it. Let's put that on the side. Now to unfold the 3-axis gimbal is really easy. All you need to do is just unlock each axis. Unfold it, the arm unfolds. And I really like the style of this because it makes it really small. So you'll be able to carry it around wherever you go. It also comes with a stand, and basically you'll be able to use that so that it's easy for you to balance out your phone onto the 3-axis gimbal. Now the next thing we need to do here is download the app. You just need to open up the user manual and scan it with your phone, and then go ahead and download the app. Now that we downloaded the app, let's go ahead and open it. We're gonna sync this to our Bomaker Smart XR right here. Before turning on the device, make sure to put on your phone first and then balance it out. Beware that do not turn on the Smart XR first without having your phone installed and balanced, because this will wreck the 3-axis motors. Now that we have our phone there, let's go ahead and turn this on. Hold it for a few seconds there. There you go. As you could see, it's already balanced. That's good. Let's go ahead and hit share. There you go. And automatically it'll connect to the 3-axis gimbal. So that's pretty good. So there's a few features that the Smart XR has. So basically with this, you can click this once and it'll go to portrait mode for, for you, the TikTokers out there, right? There's also the swivels where you can change it up and down, all that stuff. Pretty good. There's also the record button that will start to record up there, as you can see, and then hit it again to stop recording. There you go. Now hit the M twice to switch the cameras from front to back. There you go. You can also use the zoom in button right here. There's the W right there, zoom in, and then the zoom out. There you go, pretty good. And then there's the focus and unfocus as well for manual focusing. Now this dial right here is one of the things that a lot of these 3-axis gimbals doesn't have. I don't even think the DJI has this, so that's pretty good. You can have manual focus dial right onto there. It's pretty good. So here it is. This is the Smart XR by Bomaker. Basically, we're gonna just vlog a little bit here. Let's test it out. Let's go outside as well and see if this is good while we're walking. There you go. As you can see the motion of this. We're gonna go down the stairs now and see how well it could do. There you go. Let me know how shaky that is, right? Pretty good. Now let's go outside and let's check it out. So here we go. Oh, well, there's something wrong here. Maybe we won't be able to go outside. I wanted to go outside and test this out, but look at the outside here. Just a winter wonderland, right? Well, unfortunately, we cannot go outside because it's snowing hard right now. But some indoor shots will be good as well. As you can see, I'm going up the stairs right now. Let me know what you think, how shaky this is. It's pretty good. So yeah, I'm just normally walking. My hand maybe extended a little bit up, but nothing too crazy, right? Very good. There you go. We're back in our studio now. Now the other feature of the Bomaker has is panorama. In panorama mode, you can hit the 180 here and change it to whatever you'd like. So they have 330 degrees, and then 3 by 3, and then 3 by 5. Let's try out the 180 is just a normal mode, which is the span. I think there's 5 shots. Let's do the 330. Let's try that out and hit that. As you can see, it'll automatically move by itself and take the shots that it needs to do the 330-degree shots. There you go. Now this is the easy ways. I know the iPhone already has a panoramic feature built in, but this is way better. You don't even have to touch it. It'll move by itself. There you go. Once it's all done, you'll see the panoramic right there. 330 degrees. Pretty good. The other great feature about it as well is you don't have to stitch anything. Basically, it's real easy for you to just hit one button and everything will be done via app. And the Smart XR will do everything for you. Let me know what you think of the quality down below. The other features as well is time lapse. So as you could see, you can shoot some time lapse videos right here. Video, photo, and then panorama, and then smart shooting. Now smart shooting is pretty good. Smart shooting actually is quite cool. It'll mimic that. So let's try this one. Just test it out. As you can see there, it'll move by itself. I'm not touching it or anything like that. There you go. It'll start to record and it'll pan by itself. Very nice. Yeah, for those of you who are using this for TikTok and whatnot, this is really good as well. For those of you, as you can see here, this is the free view. See? If you have that on your TikTok, it's touchless. You don't have to do anything, and it'll do it by itself. Now you can save this video and use it as a the things that I like about these, you can customize it to whatever you'd like. DJI has the same thing on their Mimo app, except it's pretty fixed. You can't really use the videos outside. Basically, you cannot edit the video or anything like that. Here you can do you can shoot one and then you use this to edit the video afterwards. There's different features as well to make it easy for you creators out there who wants to shoot different style of transitions and also like panning out, where I've done this on my camera. It's a lot harder, but using a gimbal like this will make it easier, make it more stable as well. There's different transitions like motion blur as well. There's a lot of features that Smart XR has, so just go ahead and test it out. The other thing that it has is the little screen there. The screen will tell you what kind of mode you are in. Few modes like full lock mode, full follow mode, pan follow mode, and POV. So let's look at the features of the app. As you can see here, you could change the shutter speed, ISO, white balance, manual focus as well. Here you could see all your photos and whatnot that you've taken. This is gesture mode. As you could see there, that's pretty good. They'll start to record as soon as you wave your hand at it, and then it'll follow your face. Pretty good. See that? Boom! Oh yeah. Very nice. Pretty good. So for example, you're not holding this and it's standing around, you can change it and then it'll start to record. There you go. Pretty good. It works very well actually. The other feature that it has is the trackable, right? So it'll track your face right there. There you go. It'll always focus on your face, so that's pretty good. Very nice. Of course, you can switch the camera from front to back. Standard right there. You could change the video resolution from 1080p, 24 or 30 frames per second. That's pretty good. You can also add filters. For example, beauty, you can have it original or whitening. Change different filters as well, right here. Find food, different channels, of course, right? GoPro and movie. There you go. You can have it black and white or GoPros. There you go. Set the settings here. You can also have timers when you're shooting. 3 seconds or 5 seconds right there. Camera settings. Photo size you can change to whatever you want. Horizontal line right there, maximum brightness. Let's look at the gimbal settings now. Parameter settings. You can change the percentage, dead area, and the speed, joystick speed, and tilt reverse. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, we were able to go outside and shoot around with the Bomaker Smart XR. I really recommend this for the people who are starting their YouTube channel and also people who wants to have a more stabilized videos using their smartphone. I really like the smallness and the handiness of this device. I like the freedom of shooting, smart shooting, and all the features that it has as well. It's really handy for everyone. It's really easy to use for beginners out there. Definitely a must have if you are traveling around, you are vlogging a lot. This is a must have with your smartphone. Carry it around with you all the time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you like this, I'll link this down below as well. Go ahead and get yourself one. I do get a little bit of a cut here because of affiliate marketing, right? But it does help out the channel a lot, so that we can upload more videos to come. Make sure to hit the like button below so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Share this to your friends who wants to start a YouTube channel as well. Hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.